Good morning, guys. Good morning, traders. Welcome back. This is another quick video in which I want to show you the reason by which I opened this trade on DAX following my BS strategy, which is probably my best intraday strategy. If you didn't check the video that explained this strategy, go and check it out, and you can find it on this channel. First of all, let me invite you to join my Discord group, in which I will share my trading ideas as I shared this trade this morning. Subscribe, press the thumbs up button on this video, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Press the bell and get notification when a new video is out. Follow me on Instagram, which I'll share some quick tips that can be useful to you to be a better trader. And obviously follow me on TradingView, in which every Monday I will share a full multi-time frame analysis, looking for some good opportunities to trade on a multi-day perspective. On my Discord group, above all, I just want to grow my community, so enter. It's completely free. You can see all my ideas for intraday and swing trading, educational content, group mentorship, and my trading journal updated with all my trade, all the back test. As you can see, I have this journal that I share in a very transparent way. As you can see, this month is not going very good for me if you compare it with May or April. As you can see here, we have all my trades with 3 strategies, and as you can see, I get a lot of stop losses, so everything is clear and clean. So let's jump into the charts, and as you can see, so I will show you the reason by which I am long now on DAX. So first of all, let's go on 1 hour time frame to highlight the key level from which we are going to probably looking for some good opportunities. Here we do have this liquidity level, and in this demand zone, okay, where is the demand zone here, from which this big impulse, let me remove the volume profile, from which this impulse had been created. So this is a very important demand zone, because this structure had been broken. Okay, so I just wait for the price to reach the zone on 50-minute time frame. As price reached the zone, I immediately go on 2-minute time frame, and what I see is a clear breaking of the structure. So let me move on intraday template. Let me hide the order block finder, which is a new indicator that I am testing. So as you can see, here we have a strong order block from which this structure had been broken, and when price touched the liquidity level and made this strong bullish movement, so I know that my momentum market momentum is bullish right now, as price broke this structure. Okay, I was on graph, so when I see this breakout, okay, here in green, I immediately enter here. Okay, I immediately enter here, and then price push a lot here, and with stop loss just a few pips, few points below the low, and target here on the Asian high. Okay, now probably price will retest. Sorry, will retest more or less here. So, and then go like this. So now I have to decide is if leave the trade open or just take some partial. But to be honest, in this on this situation, when I see a strong momentum, I do prefer leave profits running, and I can accept a little bit of drawdown. Obviously, we are 10 minutes before US opening, so I must keep an eye and see what's happened during the US opening. I want to show you another trade, but this trade is the same, use the same logic and in the same time, but and this for S&P, I was not here because I'm double checking the DAX. So I just I just set a pending order here on the breakout, but price didn't go and retest here, and then strongly push until the Asian high. So I missed this opportunity, but I will never open a simultaneous trade on the same on the indices, because obviously they are all correlated. So if I do, I will split the size. Okay, so basically all the setups are the same, and I just opened the first trade that meets my my checklist, my rules. Okay, so now look here, we are now we are grabbing this liquidity, okay, on the Asian session high. So now it will be good on S&P probably for a short trade, but as you can see here, we have two double tops, one here and one here. Obviously we are inside the 2 minutes time frame, so the candlestick patterns on 2 minutes time frame are not so powerful, but this is an indication that we must pay attention. Okay, to be honest, what I can suppose the price will probably grab the liquidity here, made another break of the structure, going to retest, and then go here. Okay, so I'm going to check eventually this kind of movement. Okay, this kind of trade. Okay, guys, it's pretty much it. This was only a quick video showing you a very good example of my BS strategy that we'll share on the description below. Let me know what you think about, and well, see you in the next video. Thank you very much, guys.